Hey everyone, welcome to Healthy Indian Recipes. Today I'm going to show you 3 delicious and easy recipes made using moringa leaves, also called as drumstick leaves. So let's begin with our first recipe, Moringa Dal Tadka. Take half a cup of yellow moong dal. Now wash and rinse it 2 to 3 times. Add the washed moong dal into a pressure cooker. Add 1 cup of water. Now take 2 whistles on medium flame. Once all the pressure has released, uncover the pressure cooker. Our dal has cooked really well. Now keep this aside. Add 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them crackle. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them crackle as well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 1 split green chilli, around 2 to 3 dried red chilies, half a cup of chopped onions. Now saute the onions for about a minute. Next we will add half a teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute this into the oil for around 30 seconds. Once the onions and garlics are sauteed well, we will add half a cup of chopped tomatoes. Now saute the tomatoes also for about a minute. Now let's add our dry spices. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well. Now cover and cook for about a minute. After around a minute, uncover. You can see the oil has separated well. Now give everything a good mix. Next we will add around 1.5 cups of moringa leaves. Combine it well. Once the moringa leaves have sauteed well, we will add the cooked moong dal. Add around 1/4 cup of water. This will help us combine it together. Add around 3/4 cup of more water, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. You can adjust the consistency of water based on how you like your dal. Now cover with the lid and bring this to a boil. After about a minute, uncover and give everything a good mix. Add around half a teaspoon of kasuri methi. Lightly crush it between your palms before adding. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. Our dal looks ready. Serve it warm with roti or rice. Moving on to our next recipe, Moringa Mutter Malai. So let's begin. Add 2 teaspoons of oil in a pot. Once the oil is warm, add around 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Add half-inch piece of ginger, 1 cup of sliced onions. Now saute the onions until they are golden brown. Add 2 green chilies. Now saute everything together. Add 1/4 cup of cashews. Now saute everything together for another minute. Our onions have turned golden brown. Now turn off the stove. Let the mixture cool down completely, then add it in a blender jar. Add 1/4 cup of water and blend it to a fine paste. Now add 2 teaspoons of oil in a pot. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once they crackle, add the onion and the cashew paste we made earlier. Now saute this paste for around 45 seconds. And then cover and let it cook for about a minute. After about a minute, give everything a good mix and add 3/4 cup of frozen or boiled peas. Now cover again and cook for about a minute. Next we will add 2 cups of moringa or drumstick leaves and saute it with the mixture for around a minute. Add roughly 2 tablespoons of water. Give everything a good mix. Now cover with the lid and cook for another minute. After about a minute, Mix everything together. Next we will add around 1.5 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Combine everything together. Now cover with the lid and cook for another minute. Our curry is boiling and cooked completely well. Now we will add around 5 tablespoons of fresh cream. Add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, crush it between your palms. Mix it well. Our Moringa Mutter Malai is ready to be served. Enjoy it warm with roti, naan or rice. Moving on to our next recipe, Jowar Moringa Parathas. So let's begin. In a mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of jowar flour, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of each cumin and coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons of oil, and now 1 cup of moringa leaves, also called as drumstick leaves. Now mix everything together. Massage all the leaves with the flour and spices we've added. Now gradually add around 3/4 cup of hot water. Mix it well. We need to create a soft but a firm dough. Our dough is almost ready now. Add around half a teaspoon of oil and rub it well. Now take a dough ball. Knead it between your palms for around 1 to 2 minutes. Now sprinkle some jowar flour and start rolling the dough into a circular shape. Using a large circular cookie cutter, cut out the edges. Now dust off excess flour and repeat this process for the rest of the dough balls. Now place the paratha on a hot pan with medium heat. Add around 1 teaspoon of oil and spread it well. Cook on this side for around 1 to 2 minutes and then flip the paratha. Add around half a teaspoon of oil on this side as well and cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Flip the paratha again until both sides are roasted well. You can see nice, beautiful golden brown spots appear. Now our paratha is ready to be served. Serve the paratha warm with pickle and some yogurt. I hope you like my today's recipes. Do give them a try and let me know how they turned out for you in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.